Good morning everyone, it's Melissa from Paintway Toowoomba and I wanted to do a quick video today to show you this new product that Dulux have out at the moment. It's called Dry Erase, and what it actually is a special paint that you can actually paint on any wall in your house, especially offices, or maybe you've got kids and you want them to have a bit of a scribble on the wall. Actually, maybe you don't want to entice them to do this, but this is a great sort of idea to put into maybe a kids playroom or something like that. But we were so excited by this product and I think it's going to be really popular. And I just wanted to show you quickly the catalogue that we have for it today, and it shows you how a lot of offices now are painting their complete walls with this dry erase product, and it is used in all different facets of the home and office. But we've got a little tester here that Dulux are kind enough to give us, and this is one of the colours that it comes in, and you do have an array of different colours to choose from. And I just wanted to show you how it works. So for instance, if you've got a kitchen wall where you wanted to write down your to-dos, like I said, or a kid's playroom where you want them to sort of have a little drawer on the walls for fun, or you work from home and have an office like we do, we are looking at doing this ourselves, just painting the wall and putting all your notes up. And the fabulous thing about this is it just wipes off in an instant. So I'm going to show you today how it works. For instance, we'll write down Paintway, and then we want to, remind us to do this, that, and everything else on your wall. Done. Then all you need to do is grab a little wipe of some sort. Now this is a dry rag, doesn't have to be wet, and then it just wipes off as easy as that. Sorry guys, I'm just using the one-handed method today because I'm trying to film and do this at the same time. So, but there you go, it's gone. Dry erase. If you're interested in getting a quote to maybe getting a wall done in your house or office, contact us at paintway.net.au, or alternatively you can give myself or James a call on 0415 790 649. Enjoy your Monday guys, talk to you soon, bye.